Hello everyone, I'm Abby. My Chinese name is Zhong Liuzi. I'm a sophomore student of Chongqing Nanfang Translate College now. I'm so outgoing, lively, hardworking, and diligent. I'm not afraid of any hardship and any other trouble. I think I can try my best to do everything and insist. I really like to make all kinds of friends and to get along well with them. In general, I like traveling, doing sports, dancing, singing, and cooking, and so on. This time, I'm so glad to join this project. I really hope that I can get something from this project. Improve my spoken English, get some social experience during university. In a word, I'm looking forward to joining you. That's all. Thank you.